They are both trending, but they serve absolutely different purposes. And when you know the difference between these two, you can make an informed choice about which is the best choice for you. We are talking about lip filler and lip flip. Hi, I'm Dr. Rashmi Agrawal. I'm the Medical Director of Skin International Clinic in Greater Noida West. And today we are talking about lip fillers and lip flip and the difference between the two. So let's start with lip fillers directly. What are lip fillers? Lip fillers or hyaluronic acid based dermal fillers such as Juvederm, Restylane, Filmed are required and are to give your lips shape. They give volume to your lips, they define your lips, and they give structure to your lips. Ideally, lip fillers last anywhere from 6 to 12 months, but it depends entirely on your activities and on your environment as well. This process is suitable for all men, women, people of every gender. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to actually do the procedure. There is again minimal downtime. You would require some kind of cream such as arnica to reduce the swelling if required. The lip filler treatment is completely customizable. It depends entirely on your goals. The procedure with lip fillers, it involves using a numbing cream which we apply anywhere from half an hour to an hour depending. We may use cannulas or we may use fine needles to place the dermal fillers in the required areas. It may either to give you a shape, a volume, or to just define your lips according to your needs. There are some post-care tips that you should be aware of. Immediately after the procedure, there may be some bruising and swelling which your doctor would prescribe a cream such as arnica to reduce it gradually. There may be some nodules present which either the doctor will help you in smoothing out or you may do that later on. Do remember to apply a good moisturizer and follow it up with a sunscreen if you're stepping out into the sun, and that is absolutely essential. Also remember to avoid going to the gym, sweating a lot, going to the sauna or for swimming. Do remember it takes a little bit of time for the effects to kick in. Initially, the swelling will be a little more, but gradually in about a week's time, the swelling subsides to the actual shape which is desired. Sometimes we do call the patient in for a second session after the swelling has subsided, just to see if a little bit more is required to give the desired shape. So let's talk about the lip flip. Now with the lip flip, it has nothing to do with a dermal filler. Lip flip, we use a neuromodulator such as Botox or Dysport. We use a very small amount in the upper lip to turn or to flip your lip upwards to give the appearance of a fuller lip without adding volume and without adding fillers to your lip. The results last anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks ideally. Again, it depends entirely on your need. So if you think that you are smiling and your upper lip disappears completely when you smile, that is when you will be going in for a lip flip. So how to decide between a lip filler and a lip flip and what is best for you? If you are looking to add volume, shape, to define your lips, to add structure to your lips, then you should be going in for a lip filler, which involves the use of dermal fillers, hyaluronic acid based dermal fillers. Now these results are much longer lasting and you just have to maintain it accordingly. On the other hand, if you are smiling and your upper lip disappears completely, if you are new to the game of cosmetics and cosmeceuticals, this is the first time that you are thinking of an injectable, a lip flip is ideal for you because it does not involve the use of dermal fillers at all. It is just about using a neuromodulator such as Botox in a very minute quantity just to give you an absolute natural lift and natural fullness to your upper lip. So now you know the difference between a lip filler and a lip flip. But at the end of the day, the decision lies with you and what you actually need, what are your goals and how comfortable you are with either of the two procedures. Always remember to go to a qualified and experienced provider only, because then it becomes safe and effective in the long run. If you found this video informative, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.